Here we are, we're in New Haven, Connecticut on State Street, crossing into the old Bishop Gate entrance to East Rock State Park. So we run up this trail here about 5 times a week. So here we start on our way now. We go up this hill for about 2 miles. And tell us a slow pace. We're not going to try to kill ourselves. It's about 85 to 90 degrees. Here we are. We're on the main road. Now. Okay. Going up the hill. Here we are. We're almost at the top. Right around the corner. We will be at the peak of East Rock State Park. Okay, here we are. We'll peak. Look over to the right. There's the East Rock Peak picnic area. A little bit hazy today. Otherwise, we can see for miles and miles. We got down there at the pond. You can see the distance. The height of where Okay, here we are on the final leg down to the Bishop Gate. Feeling a little spongy. The purpose of this video is to send my Cape Cod personal training.net site back to the top of the search engines on Cape Cod. You can buy our site. Just drop me an email at KennethFord@iammedia.co. And you can have this site for your own. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.